Welcome to a new day of growth, healing, and alignment with your highest self. Today, we step into the mysterious, dreamlike realm of the moon, a space of intuition, illusions, shadows, and emotional depth. As you listen, allow your breath to become soft and rhythmic. Let your mind quiet, let your heart lead. This is a day of inner reflection, a day where what was hidden becomes illuminated in subtle, gentle ways. Imagine walking along a narrow path lit only by moonlight. The world around you is quiet, still, beautiful in its uncertainty. Shadows move, water reflects light, and your senses become sharper than ever before. The moon stands above you, mysterious, intuitive, deeply feminine in her presence. She reveals not through logic, but through feeling. Tonight, she guides you inward. The moon represents intuition, illusion, the subconscious, dreams and symbolism, emotional depth, fear versus truth. The shadow self, this energy brings clarity through reflection, truth through instinct, and understanding through the heart. When the moon appears, it means you are being guided not by what you see, but by what you feel. There is something in your life right now that feels unclear, uncertain, or confusing. A situation, a person, a choice, an emotion. The moon appears today to say, look deeper, look beyond the surface. Your intuition has been whispering subtle hints. Your dreams have been revealing hidden messages. Your emotions have been signaling truths you've tried to ignore. What you sense is real, even if you cannot yet explain it. Close your eyes gently. Picture yourself standing beneath the glowing moon. Its light softens your fears, illuminates your truth, and reveals the path ahead step by step. Walk slowly. With each step, whisper within yourself, I trust my intuition. As you walk, shadows fade, clarity emerges, the path becomes brighter. You recognize that you were guided all along. Today is a day for inner work. Your practice: 1. Write down a question you've been seeking clarity on. 2. Meditate for 2 minutes, letting your intuition rise. 3. Journal the first instinct, symbol, or feeling that comes. The subconscious speaks quietly, but truth echoes loudly within it. Repeat with trust. My intuition reveals the truth. I see clearly. I follow my inner guidance. The moon walks with you today. Trust your senses. Trust your heart. Trust your inner voice. Join us again, and one of the omniscient family will be here to guide you into the radiant joy and clarity of the sun.